Picture this, a fiery maw spitting molten rock and ash. This is nature's incinerator, a volcano. Can it devour our trash? Can Earth's fiery breath erase the evidence of our consumption? The idea is tempting. Toss our garbage into the fiery abyss, gone forever. But is it really that simple? Volcanoes are powerful forces of nature. They hold a dangerous allure. We imagine them incinerating our waste, leaving no trace. But the reality is far more complicated. Volcanoes are not garbage disposals. They are complex geological systems. Tampering with them could unleash unforeseen consequences. We're drowning in garbage. The sheer volume of waste we produce is staggering. Every year, the world generates billions of tons of waste. This waste doesn't just disappear, it accumulates at an alarming rate. It piles up in landfills, pollutes our oceans, and chokes our planet. Our beautiful beaches and marine life are suffering. Plastic bottles, discarded electronics, food scraps, the list goes on. These items take years, sometimes centuries, to decompose. Traditional waste management methods are struggling to keep up. Landfills are overflowing, and the space to store waste is running out. They leak harmful toxins into the environment, contaminating our soil and water sources. Incineration plants release pollutants into the air we breathe, contributing to air pollution and health problems. Recycling helps, but it's not enough. Only a fraction of our waste is recycled, and the rest continues to pile up. We need innovative solutions to tackle this growing crisis. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to find sustainable waste management methods, and some people have turned their eyes towards the fiery heart of our planet, volcanoes. Could this be a potential solution to our waste problem? Volcanoes are nature's furnaces, fueled by molten rock deep beneath the Earth's surface. This molten rock, called magma, rises through cracks and fissures. It erupts as lava, spewing ash and gases into the atmosphere. Temperatures within a volcano can reach thousands of degrees Fahrenheit. This immense heat is what captures our imagination. It seems like the perfect solution to our waste problem. Imagine garbage in, nothing but ash out. But the reality is not so simple. Volcanoes are not simple incinerators. They are complex geological systems, prone to unpredictable eruptions and hazardous emissions. Section 4. A tempting inferno: potential benefits of volcanic disposal. The allure of volcanic disposal is undeniable. The idea of using the Earth's natural furnace to eliminate waste is both fascinating and promising. Imagine the sheer volume of waste a single volcano could consume. It's a tantalizing prospect. No more overflowing landfills, no more mountains of garbage piling up in our cities, no more plastic choking our oceans, harming marine life and disrupting ecosystems. The environmental benefits could be immense, just a fiery abyss to swallow our refuse. The intense heat of the lava could potentially break down even the most stubborn materials. Theoretically, the intense heat could break down even the most stubborn materials. Plastics, metals, and other non-biodegradable waste could be incinerated. Hazardous waste, all of it incinerated into oblivion, reducing the risk of contamination and pollution. The heat could even be harnessed to generate electricity, providing a renewable energy source, turning a problem into a resource, transforming waste into energy, and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. But this is where the fantasy collides with reality. While the concept is intriguing, the practical challenges and potential risks must be carefully considered. Section 5. A cocktail of catastrophe, risks, and challenges. Volcanic disposal is fraught with risks. The very idea of using volcanoes as a waste disposal method is riddled with complexities. Logistically, it would be a nightmare. The sheer volume of waste we produce would require an immense fleet of trucks. Transporting vast quantities of waste to active volcanoes is a daunting task. The journey itself would be perilous, involving steep and rugged terrain. Imagine navigating treacherous terrain, dodging lava flows, and contending with toxic fumes. The safety of workers would be a constant concern. Then there's the environmental impact. The introduction of waste into such a volatile environment could have unforeseen consequences. Erupting volcanoes spew out a cocktail of toxic gases and particulate matter. These emissions can travel far and wide, affecting air quality over large areas. Adding our garbage to the mix would only exacerbate the problem. The burning of waste could release even more harmful substances into the atmosphere. It could trigger acid rain, contaminate water sources, and harm wildlife. The delicate balance of ecosystems could be disrupted. Even if we could overcome the logistical and environmental hurdles, there's still the unpredictable nature of volcanoes themselves. Their behavior is not something we can predict with certainty. We can't control when they erupt or how violently. The timing and intensity of eruptions are beyond our control, making this method highly unreliable. Dumping our trash into a volcano is akin to playing Russian roulette with the environment. The stakes are incredibly high and the potential for disaster is immense. It's a gamble we can't afford to take. The financial and environmental costs could be catastrophic. We need to focus on sustainable solutions that work in harmony with nature, not against it. Renewable energy sources and innovative waste management strategies are the way forward.